Okay, come on in here. It's 9:50, which is a segment we have renamed the 9:50 feeding. So when we talk about U.S. Egg, you probably think breakfast, right? But you can get a whole lot more than that. So Spencer, we introduce you to our favorite part of Good Morning Arizona, which is when we display the beautiful food the Valley has to offer. And we have Chef Mario here.
Yeah, you're a celebrity here. I've heard people talking about you all morning long because they knew that all this was coming in with you.
I'm in the flesh, man. Here I am.
And you're making us something special, which is something that's not on the menu.
It's not on the menu, but it's something light for summer. It's just a tuna salad stuffed red pepper. So all I put in there was some black pepper, some apple, which gives it a really good sweetness.
Texture, yeah.
Then I cut the celery large to give it some texture, so you get that crunch. Gives the sandwich a little bit of body.
Now, how many cans of tuna is this? 2?
This is enough for like probably 2 stuffed peppers.
Okay.
And then you got to put in the mayonnaise. Now, people always ask me, Mario, how much mayonnaise to put in? Well, you put in the least amount as possible, just to get this stuff
to stick, right?
Just to get it to stick, pretty much. And then another thing is, people make salads and they put the dressing on there, and it kind of ruins what they're trying to do there by eating something healthy. So I'd like to make you guys a really quick salad dressing as well, whenever I can do that. So I'm just simply stuffing this red pepper here.
Now, what do you suggest we do with the inside that we gutted from the pepper?
Well, I mean, that's not really edible. You should just throw it away.
It's the seeds and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's just the seeds. So our 32nd year anniversary with the restaurant. We're an Arizona-based family-owned and operated company. Proud to have been doing it this long, serving the Phoenicians great breakfast all these years. So.
Last time I checked, it was 6 locations here in the Valley?
6 locations in the Valley. Go to our website, US Egg Restaurant, see which one is closest to you. And you'll see me or one of my brothers there doing what we do best.
Or Dad.
Or Dad.
It's a big family
affair.
Sure
all the standards that we've put in are in play.
And look at the standard, by the way, when it comes to pancakes. You
That's
see how
our
big those
signature
pancakes
item.
are.
These are protein pancakes. We've been serving those forever at the restaurant.
As big as the plates.
We make our own granola at the restaurant, which you can get at the restaurant now. So it's a very homemade pancake. I brought our traditional Benedict here as well. I brought our gluten-free French toast. And then for the paleo and keto diets, we have our protein menu, which just comes with a lean protein and vegetables. That's steak and broccoli there. Then we've got a chicken and spinach one over here. Come down and see us. We've got plenty of stuff for that. We've got the biggest gluten-free menu in the state.
So when we come back, I want to take a look at the dressing that you're putting on this tuna for us. I'm assuming that's what this is. And then we'll take a look at the soups. Perfect. You know I love to talk about your soups. I never forget about your soups. Okay, we will be right back.
Don't go away.